Hey people, Demon here, and today I have a brand new Blizzard from Dairy Queen. This is the new Sea Salt Toffee and Fudge, Toffee Fudge Blizzard, whatever it's called. We're going to try a piece and see what it tastes like. It has salt in it, I guess, so that might be an interesting combo. Sweet and salty. Okay. Not the best tasting. Not the best tasting so far. Let me eat a little bit more and see if it gets any better. So far, not the best tasting, but has potential I can see.
Just remind you to subscribe, hit that bell, like, comment, share this video, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok down below.
So I just finished the Blizzard, and I gotta say, it was okay. At first the taste wasn't that good, but the more I ate, the more used to it I got, and the more better it tasted. But I probably wouldn't buy it again. I don't know. It just didn't taste like that good, I guess. But it was enjoyable for what it was, I guess. And if you think you'd like something like this, then go ahead and get it. But I would definitely not get it again. Just my opinion, I guess. Anyways, I hope you liked this. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Hit that bell notification. That's the best way to keep my channel. Link down below to my Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. And as always, my friends, stay sane. Peace.
Just remind you to subscribe, hit that bell, like, comment, and share this video, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok down below.
Shadow, my baby, I love you so much. You're my baby. And you love to sleep in the bathtub. 'Cause you're a weirdo. Shadow, look over here, buddy. Look over here.